Hello, my name is Arna. Today we are building a 3-compartment composting bin. It's a sunny day outside. You should come out and enjoy it too.
If you don't mind taking them by the compost.
These 3 pallets to the compost?
One at a time, yeah. They're heavy, so...
Why don't we build these pallets there to there?
Let's start shoveling some of the banana peels and stuff from the front right there. Actually.
Shimanshi, there's something plastic here.
That's just paper towels.
This is our compost for our future vegetable garden that we're going to be making. So by the time we're done doing the vegetables, we're going to be putting all this soil on top of the garden, growing our own veggies. Need a break.
Okay. You need water?
Sure.
A lot of pallets, huh? So, a little bit more work here. Almost done.
So we've done a 3-compartment compost area. Now's the time to shut it.